The F-47 NGAD jet is expected to represent the next generation of American air dominance, combining advanced stealth, artificial intelligence, and unmatched combat capabilities. Designed to replace older fighter aircraft, it is envisioned as one of the most sophisticated military jets ever developed. The 2026 version reflects continued progress in the program and highlights the future of aerial warfare. One of the most impressive aspects of the F-47 NGAD is its stealth design. Every surface of the aircraft is shaped to reduce radar detection, allowing it to operate deep inside contested airspace with a much lower chance of being tracked. This advanced low observable technology is expected to surpass that of previous fifth-generation fighters. The aircraft is likely to feature a highly efficient next-generation engine capable of producing exceptional speed, range, and fuel efficiency. Adaptive engine technology may allow the jet to switch between high-performance combat mode and fuel-saving cruise mode, giving it greater flexibility during long missions. The cockpit is expected to include a digital interface with artificial intelligence assisting the pilot in managing sensors, navigation, weapons, and threats. This intelligent support system is designed to reduce pilot workload and improve decision-making during fast-paced combat situations. The F-47 NGAD is also expected to operate alongside autonomous unmanned aircraft known as collaborative combat drones. These drones could perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or strike missions while remaining under the control of the pilot, greatly expanding the aircraft's combat effectiveness. Its sensor suite is expected to provide exceptional battlefield awareness. Advanced radar, infrared tracking systems, and electronic surveillance equipment will work together to detect and identify threats at long distances while sharing information with friendly forces in real time. The aircraft is expected to carry a wide range of advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. Internal weapon bays preserve stealth while allowing the F-47 NGAD to engage enemy fighters, missile sites, and strategic targets with precision-guided munitions. Speed and maneuverability are expected to remain key strengths. With powerful engines and advanced flight control systems, the aircraft should be capable of high-speed interception, rapid climbing performance, and agile maneuvers even while carrying internal weapons. The airframe is expected to use lightweight composite materials and advanced manufacturing techniques to improve durability while reducing maintenance requirements. These innovations could increase operational readiness and lower long-term operating costs. Electronic warfare capabilities are likely to play a major role in the aircraft's mission. The F-47 NGAD is expected to jam enemy radars, disrupt communications, and protect friendly aircraft from sophisticated air defense systems. Network-centric warfare will be another defining feature. The aircraft is designed to exchange secure data with satellites, naval vessels, ground forces, and allied aircraft, creating a highly connected combat network that improves mission coordination. Pilot safety has been prioritized with advanced defensive systems, improved situational awareness, and modern survival technologies. These features are intended to help the pilot respond quickly to threats while increasing the chances of returning safely from dangerous missions. Although the F-47 NGAD promises remarkable technological advancements, its development and production costs are expected to be extremely high. The complexity of integrating cutting-edge technologies presents significant engineering and financial challenges for the program. The 2026 F-47 NGAD demonstrates how future fighter aircraft are evolving beyond traditional designs by combining stealth, artificial intelligence, unmanned teamwork, and advanced networking into a single combat platform. Its capabilities are expected to redefine modern air superiority. Overall, the new 2026 F-47 NGAD appears to be a groundbreaking step in military aviation. If development continues as planned, it has the potential to become one of the world's most capable fighter jets, setting new standards for performance, survivability, and technological innovation in future air combat.